Damn, that was a nice bass. That was at least a 3-pounder. Yeah, there is big ones in here. Now, if you fish by the docks where I always used to fish, you're not gonna get anything. I mean, it's just so fished out by people who come. And I mean, that's not a bad thing. I like to fish on the dock just because I'm a big talker. I like to talk to people. I like to see what baits people are using, and you know, oh, I just hit a little bluegill. Oh crap! Just got excited for nothing. But yeah, okay, he bit it from the side, so that should be an easier unhook. Oh, it went up under his eye. Oh crap, that's not good. Oh no, don't push his eye. No, 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 no. I don't want to make this freaking guy blind. Get it out of there. No. Oh man, I'm sorry, bluegill. Okay, I got you. You're good. Okay, I got really, you know, just got really excited because I saw that big bass swimming around and I thought it was him, but there's a little bluegill. Second fish of the day, but first fish I'm recording. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty good day. I already saw a big bass, caught 2 fish, a matter of like 3 casts, so it's pretty good. But yeah, we're just going to see how it goes. Hopefully we get that big bass I was seeing. It's pretty big, but my spinner was like hooked on the side of the blade, so with the treble hooks, so it wasn't really making that much action. Oh, there's a big bass following that. Not the biggest in the world, but he's still really nice. Let's sink, because usually they take it on the floor. Right now we're in the deep woods, so not the best, but very shaded, very nice if I ever get hot, because it is a pretty humid day. It's like 69 degrees, I know, LOL, but it's like really humid, so we're just gonna have to see how it goes. Not too many people fishing out today. I've seen one person on shore, but not too many people fishing. Let's just turn the kayak and see if we can face that area. Because every single time I cast right there, there's a few bass looking at it, but they're just not taking it. Okay. And I forgot my other pole at my grandma's, so not the best. Not good for starters, but you know. But good thing I do have line, because this pole doesn't have much line. That's the only reason I was a little bit worried about that. But I think we should be good to hold off. There's 2 cicadas or something right there just messing around with each other. If one of those things lands on the water, they're just done with. There's no saving them. Okay, let's get you guys a better view, because I'm just putting my arm in the way. Okay, that's enough fishing for right here. Let's just keep on moving down the lake, and then let's just keep on fishing this cover, because that's where it looks like they're at. But yeah, how I said, the bass look like they're interested in this little spinner here. I'll show you the bait that I'm using right now. Little pink and white and blue spinner with some black dots, and that has a pink tail. I chose it just because it's a very, how you guys can see, like a very bright bait. Especially when I'm going to be fishing these very dark areas. It will be nice. Oh, I had a little bump. But yeah, it's going to be nice fishing these very dark areas, so the fish can actually see it better. Okay, I'm going to turn my camera. I'm sitting. Boom. Okay, we're ready. Okay, nothing followed that cast, it doesn't look like. Oh, there's something following it. Oh, he lost interest. There may be a bed under there or something, but these waters are pretty deep. Ooh, crap, someone just ate something right there. I have to cast over there. Because that's how I caught my first fish. Oh, something's following it. You just keep on losing interest. Why? Why do you gotta keep on losing that? Let's see how that goes. Oh, I think I have him. No. See, he follows it. I'm just gonna cast right here and see what's over here. I'm I'm sorry, I just get really excited. I need to show you guys more. Achoo, bless me. Okay. See how it gets all tangled. Okay, so let's just untangle that. And I think we're ready to cast back out. And of course, when I say that, I get stuck in my bag. So we're too deep, so it's definitely there. There we go, got it. Oh god, someone's around behind me. Someone's slamming somewhere. Looks pretty nice too. Whatever. There's a little bass that's chilling right over there. I'm gonna cast right over there and see what's over there. A lot of flies on this water or something. This must be what they're going after. Try to snag them, why not? Okay, let's move a bit. See if I can get over here. Yeah, I can. Let's see what we can catch. Is that bass still just chilling there? He's not big, but still would be the first bass of the day. He's looking at it. I mean, he looks like he wants it, but he's not attacking it. I'm trying to snag him. I can't. I'm trying my best, but I guess I'm trying my best. Okay. Cast right there. There he is again. I want to just snag him. If I snag this fish, that would be. Oh, he bit it. He bit it. Like, he bite it. He bit it though. So I'm just gonna cast right under this tree the best I can. See if I can pull anything out of it. There we are, that's really far back into that tree. Oh, I think I had a bite. There's a bluegill right there, maybe. Nope, doesn't want it. Okay. There are some jumps over there, so let's see if we can get over there and see if anything wants that. Okay, this freaking bass just falling in the kayak right now. Okay, doesn't matter. Don't really want to cast. There we are. That's a good cast. Maybe the bass aren't liking this bright color. I know the bluegill seem to like it, but maybe the bass, this is not their thing. I do have some more flies, so we're definitely gonna have to try them out. Not fly spinners. So if we don't get any bass in the next few minutes, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna change to a darker spinner, because maybe they're intimidated of these colors. I never really thought of that, because bass can be really picky.